Colleagues, we're excited to let you know that the National Science Foundation has just funded the Computer Science through Engineering Design in New York project. This is a groundbreaking initiative that broadens access to secondary school computer science by bringing New York State technology education teachers into the mainstream of the computer science delivery system. The project is enacting a systems approach to broadening participation and access. There are 4 complementary system components. First is implementing a statewide middle school to high school computer science curricular continuum for technology education that's hands-on and engineering design based. It's accompanied by an aligned teacher professional development program. Next is recruiting, engaging, and retaining diverse students. Then, establishing a pathway to dual technology education and computer science state certification for teachers, and uniquely fostering family engagement in computer science. A special focus of the project is bringing the technology education community into this delivery system. There are about 2,000 technology education teachers in New York State who have generally not been formally prepared to teach computer science, yet they teach in virtually every one of the state's school districts and serve all student populations. So integrating the computer science and digital fluency standards that have been developed in New York within middle school and high school technology education will markedly increase the number of students learning about computer science without diminishing technology education's emphasis on hands-on, design-based systems thinking and on STEM career pathways. In conjunction with the leadership and advocacy of the New York State Education Department, 6 rural, suburban, and urban school districts, and the New York State and National Technology and Engineering Educators Associations, our project includes diverse, enthusiastic partners and builds on lessons learned from numerous prior NSF projects conducted by our leadership team. Our team of expert teachers and curriculum developers is enhancing exemplary NSF curriculum by integrating authentic computer control design and build projects using sensors, controllers, and output devices to enliven students' interest in computer science. Here are some of the computer control activities under development. We're developing middle school activities for teachers to integrate into their current tech ed programs. Thus, a curricular continuum will be established from middle school to high school advanced placement computer science using the NSF-developed Excite High School course that can be used to fulfill College Board AP Computer Science Principles course requirements. We're providing intensive professional development workshops for our project teachers who then, in conjunction with the New York State Technology and Engineering Educators Professional Association, NYSTEA, will subsequently conduct workshops for other tech ed teachers across New York State. While the importance of family engagement in children's education is well established, family engagement in computer science is sparse. Since many parents and caregivers have little experience in computer science, they often struggle to facilitate computer science learning. So the project will initiate a family engagement component led by Dr. Renee Young, a former New York City principal and the coordinator of the Adelaide Sanford Parent Leadership Institute in Brooklyn. We'll initiate co-activity sessions in all schools for school personnel, family members, and students to jointly undertake curricular design challenges, learn about promising computer science careers, and the academic pathways needed to achieve success in STEM fields. And notably, our Business Council of New York State partner will arrange for diverse computer science role models to meet with students in their classrooms and will arrange STEM internships for students. As part of the project, the New York City College of Technology, City Tech, is developing a program that will enable presently certified tech ed teachers to obtain an additional computer science certification. Dr. Yusik Sung at City Tech is leading that effort. We encourage technology teachers statewide to take advantage of this opportunity so that they can teach computer science courses as part of their technology education program. Friends and colleagues, if there's any further information that you'd like, or if you would just like to discuss the project with us, please feel free to get in contact with either David Burghardt, who's the principal investigator of the project, at m.d.burghardt@hofstra.edu, or Michael Hacker, who's the co-principal investigator at michael.hacker@hofstra.edu. We would be pleased, really delighted to talk with you. Please get in touch. Thank you.